next song we're going to sing is about a very famous reindeer. I want you all singing along. He's got a very red nose and he's very good at delivering presents. Let's sing Rudolph. Well, you know Dasher and Dancer and Donner and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? I'm talking about Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Woo! Take it away, Sean. Well, I'm talking about Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.